Hey everybody, my name is Crystal, and today I'm here to give you my first impressions and honest review of this OXO cherry and olive pitter. I have a bag of cherries here. I haven't been. Oh, hi Cosmo. Cosmo's very interested. Cosmo actually loves cherries, so that's probably why he is up here. I have this bag of cherries that I'm not going to be able to use, but I can't imagine having to cut all of these, cut the pits off all of these. So I'm going to go ahead and give this new gadget a try and see what I think. So what it says to do is to put the cherry in here with the stem side up. This little splash guard here is to keep cherry juice from going everywhere, which definitely is something that I hate. So let's go ahead and give it a try. I put that in the wrong bowl. So the pit is out, and then I can just roll the cherry in the bowl. So that seems pretty quick and easy. So the other thing I like about this is hopefully I don't get my oh, that one was really easy. I don't get my hands all full of cherry juice, because nothing is worse if you've ever had to chop up a bunch of cherries and then your hands look like your hands are just a big old red mess. So all in all, I'm really liking this product. Let me see how long it takes me to get through this bag of cherries. Okay, so I'm done. I have this wonderful bowl of cherries that I can now freeze, so I'm not wasting any food. All in all, I would say that this tool was pretty easy to use. It took me about 15 minutes to do that bag. It's a little bit of a repetitive motion, and it does take a little bit of strength, so this wouldn't be something I would maybe recommend to every kids do or anything like that, as that might be hard on their little hands. And I would say even with the splash guard, I did find that there was some spray. So would I do this wearing a white shirt? Absolutely not. But all in all, I think this would be a great tool to use if you need to process a bunch of cherries or a bunch of olives or get the pits out of stuff. So I would give it 5 stars. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this review. I hope it gave you the information you need to buy this product. Have a great day.